One thing about being a celebrity, guys, your life is just never yours alone. Like, you will always be caught up in situations that are just putting your life in danger. And you just have to take it. Like, you have to take it, Sana. You don't have a choice. There's a video of Umakatsi circulating on TikTok, on social media, where she was in Congo. I think she is currently still there. I'm not sure. She was there for a show, so I'm not sure if she's still there. But Ugel got attacked by fans. She got attacked. Here is the video where she is just showing what they did to an Uber. So Umakatsi requested an Uber to go to the shops to buy something because she needed an outfit for where she was going to perform. And then as she was in the Uber, people noticed, oh, no, man, this is Makatsi. And then they started, like attacking the car, trying to break the windows. They even broke the car, as you can see there in front. They were just pulling the car, even the mirrors of the car, they took them out. Like, I really don't understand people in Congo. I really don't understand. Even if you love someone, you want them to, maybe you want to take pictures and stuff, why do you have to destroy the car? I don't understand that mentality of destroying the car because now Makati has to pay for this car to be fixed. Like, can you imagine that? It's really, really bad, Sana. It's really bad. And to think that she is still going to be performing there, I really don't think she is safe, Sana. I really don't think she is safe. Is this how they behave when they see celebrities? Because this is so uncalled for. Like, it's really, really so uncalled for. So if you are a celebrity in Congo, you can't even go to the shops because your life will be in danger. And she's just saying, Shamiana, she was not mad at all. She's just saying, good, this is just love. Guys, imagine the whole complex was closed because of Makats in Congo. The whole complex was closed. The police were there. Yo, I really feel sorry for her. Shame to think she is still going to be performing for these people, Sana. One thing, and the next minute, you are being harassed there at the stage. Sana, no, this is so uncalled for. I really wonder how celebrities survive in Congo. Those who are celebrities there, are they also facing this behavior from fans? Well, it's really, really sad, guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below.